Hello and welcome back to another quick unboxing and review video. Today I am going to share with you eNett Make X3 dual SIM smartphone quick unboxing and review. So let's take a look. This is eNett Make X3 box, how exactly looks like. So if we take our look this box, this phone is coming with different colors like white, black and gold. My one is gold color. So let me see the back side. This is how eNett makes they write the specification, how this phone we are getting on this phone, like we are getting Android 6 marshmallow and screen size. Also we are getting quad-core 1.3 GHz processor. So let me try to pull out the plastic and let me see inside this box how exactly we are getting on this box, what piece we are getting. So let me try to pull out the plastic and let me see what we are getting inside this box. So if I try to open this box, this is how exactly our box looks like. We are getting a eNett Make X3 smartphone on the left side, and let me try to open this, and this is with the plastic cover, it's cover, and let me try to open this. Wow, this is how Make X3, which is really big screen, which is 6-inch HD screen, 1280 into 720 pixels, and also we're getting a cover to use different color like back cover, and also we're getting 3200 mAh removable battery. So that's really cool. Also we're getting a power adapter, and also we're getting a USB connect to charge our phone, or also you can use computer connect to this cable. Also we're getting 3.5mm headphone jack. Also we are getting a screen protector. That's really good. That this company they give, because this is new company we know, and they give all the specification related things we need to use our phone, like we can use the screen protector, also a flip cover. So let me try to install this mobile. Let me try to open the back side and let me try to install this battery. So after install the battery, let me remove this plastic on the front side and let me see on this phone by side what we are getting. In the left side we are getting nothing on the left side. If we take over look the right side, we are getting volume up and down button and also a power button. In the top we are getting 3.5mm headphone jack. If we take over look the bottom, we are getting to connect our charger, and also to connect the computer, also storage speaker with microphone. And that's on the back side we are getting 8 megapixel with flash camera, and the bottom we are getting 5 megapixel with flash camera. So that's really good, and that's really good if there is no more physical button. So let me turn on this phone and let me take our look this device on what operating system or what else we are getting. So after boot up this phone, this is how exactly our device lock screen looks like. In the lock screen we can directly jump to call, or we can directly jump to camera section, or we can simply unlock this phone. And this is how exactly the device home screen looks like, which is really beautiful. If we take sweep up to down, we will get a quick launch area, and we can directly jump anything if we like to do. And also we are getting on this device in the there is no physical button. We're getting back button, menu button, X and text manager button. In text manager button we can directly jump any recently apps we open, or we can directly close any apps to make our device more faster. And if we take over look this device in the menu, this is how the menu button looks like, and we can customize our menu. We can quick add in shortcut, or we can rearrange on this menu if we like to do so. So if we take our look by side, this is how the menu, we can jump any menu. If I jump to the dial pad menu on this phone, let me see how exactly looks like the dial pad. This is how exactly looks like the dial pad menu on this phone. If I jump over the keyboard, let me see how the keyboard looks like on this one. This is how exactly the keyboard looks like. We can download any keyboard anytime from Play Store with the things we like. And also if I let me jump over this phone in the settings section, let me see what setup we are getting on this one. Is a lot of setup appear like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM section or data. Or if I click on the more, we are getting more setup like networking or theatering or hotspot setup. If I go back and click on the display setup, this is the display setup. If I go to try to adjust the brightness, we have to add the brightness manually. We cannot use auto brightness system on this one. Let me go to back this phone and let me see the storage on this phone. This is coming with 8 GB internal storage, and we can up to use 16 GB SD card on this phone. So not bad at all. And also USB micro USB version 2, so that's really good. Except the price, this is not bad at all. This device is really a beautiful design with the beautiful color, and also this device is the large screen, which is 6.0 inch HD screen, which is coming with 1280 into 720 pixel resolution, and screen type is IPS LCD. And this device is coming with dual SIM, which is micro SIM, and data is 4G. And also this device, if we take a look at other connectivity, like it's coming with Wi-Fi, GPRS, GPS, Bluetooth and USB, and the internal storage is 8 GB and the RAM is 2 GB. And this device is coming with quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, and it's coming with dual camera. Front camera is 5 megapixel with flash, and the primary camera is 8 megapixel with flash, and the memory card is supported up to 16 GB, and the USB version micro USB version 2, and the weight on this device is 111 gram, and the battery is 3200 mAh. So except the price, this is really with the budget, this is not bad at all. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.